2018 Toyota Sienna. So here's a view you usually don't get to see. Now looking at the dirt in here, that little, and I mean tiny bit amount of dirt can actually, so you see that little bit of dust there? That can actually slow down the airflow, that tiny amount. It seems like nothing, but it actually really slows down the airflow. Especially if it builds it up on the edge and it gets a hard edge from like dog hair, cat hair, stuff like that. You go in dusty places and that little bit slows down your CFM. You're slowing down your CFM, you slow down your sensible heating. You notice I didn't say latent heating, or not heating, cooling. Your latent cooling, not your, slows down your sensible cooling, not your latent cooling. These are the coolant lines. On this one, remember under earlier models, and here's your drain for your water condensate. On earlier ones, they used to come down here and go up and over. On this one, the lines stay inside. They come up and over. There's a liquid line. The suction line is out of sight back there. Comes over and goes down right there. And you have two connectors right there. Come down. Now you see this insulation it has on there? Do you see how the insulation is open? It's loose and open like this. Now when you're by the ocean, or if you're in areas who have put salt on the snow because of ice or snow, the salty water gets up in here, it fills up, corrodes out, and causes leaks in these areas. So this is a bad design right here. And as we all know, if they get any rips underneath, or when they go back up on the other side of the engine, because they go down below and then they come back up. And if you have anywhere where the insulation comes up and it's open and there's a wide gap in there and salt water gets down there, that's where you get your leaks at. And we're covering down to 1400 microns.